The data I collect can be one of two things. It could be categories or it could be numbers. Categorical data, or qualitative data, is data where it might be red, green, blue, or Ford, Holden, Toyota, categories. Numerical data, or quantitative data, is where there's a number involved. There were 17 cars. There were 5 people. The height was 6.7 metres. The length was numbers. We can divide each of these kinds of data another step. Let's start with categorical data. Nominal data is data where the categories are just named. Nominal means names. Red, green, blue. Apples, oranges, bananas, kiwi fruit. Ordinal is where there's categories but there's some kind of order. Big, medium, small. Best, preferred, acceptable, maybe, no way. Although they're categories, there's an implied order to them. Both of these kinds of data are in categories. Nominal is when they're just named. Ordinal is when there's some kind of implied order. Numerical data we also break up into two kinds. Discrete data is where only particular values are allowed, usually only whole numbers, like how many cars or number of children. Continuous data is where any value in range is allowed. Mass of the cars, children's heights, any numeric value is possible, so that's continuous. There are sometimes tricky cases. Take shoe sizes, for example. Although I can have 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5, and so on, although I can have halves, I can't have other fractions. I can't talk about a shoe size of 5.1473. So only particular values are allowed. That's discrete. But if I measure the actual length of the shoe, that's going to be continuous, because it's going to be a precise number of millimetres or whatever. Even two shoes of the same size will have different lengths.